Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is your friend Priyal, of course, you all know me. And I want to introduce you guys to someone I know and I love. Preeti Paka! Yes, this is my child. This is my child. Okay. So guys, I know it's been a long time. I mean, I guess I'm recording a video like after a year or something. I don't even remember when was the last time I recorded a video. Okay, so maybe I'm not visible properly. Yeah. Okay, hi. So there are three books that I read, okay? Three books. Tada. So it's a trilogy, okay? So this book series is this is a Prodigy, no, Legend book series. I'm so sorry. First one is Legend, second one is Prodigy, and third one is Champion. Champion, Champion. Okay, that was cringe, I know that. Okay, so I'm not going to spoil the story, but I am going to give you the book review, a short book review, maybe 3 minutes long, yeah, whatever. So this book review, okay, so if you have read Hunger Games, by the way, and if you like dystopian books, if you like Hunger Games, the Maze Runner type of books, this book is a perfect choice. I rated it 3.5 out of 5. So the first book, Prodigy. So what is this book about? So America is divided into two parts: republicans and colonies of America and republics of America, like that. And there is a war going on, so the perspective that we are reading in is republics, okay? So it's not into it's the setup is not in 2022 or 2020 or something like that, or 2018 to something like that, but it is in like 2050s or something like that. So high tech and all, technology, yeah. So in Prodigy, so the thing is how they so they take trials, okay? The trials are exams and stuff like that. So in Prodigy books, so they used to take trials like this, and Prodigy actually means that there's this girl, she scored 1500 out of 1500, which is an impossible score, like nobody could score that. So she is the only prodigy in the whole country, I mean whole republics. Among all the republicans, she is just the one prodigy there, okay? 17-year-old and all. And of course it's a young adult book, so yeah, it's surrounded by that only. So the first book, Prodigy, revolves around that how there is a criminal named as Day. So he does a lot of things against republicans, but he's also not a part of patriots. So patriots jo hai wo, they also live in republican side of America only, but the war is against colonies, okay? Colonies and republicans are in as a war kind of scenario. So there is that. And that girl, her brother was killed. This is not a spoiler, I'm not giving you guys any spoiler. This is what happens in the beginning of the book only. So her brother gets killed, and the commander of her brother, okay, he was also in army only. So she assigned his sister, who is a prodigy by the way, to find out the killer. So they have deducted that it must be Day only. So they ask her to find out, and since it's her brother and also there's emotional connection as well, so she has to find him out. So she finds him out, and it's about the Prodigy book is completely about that. And she realizes who that guy Day is and all. So in the second book, Legend, we talk about the legend in the book series, that there's a guy in Legend. I did not like the second book, not at all. I won't say I didn't like this book at all, I just didn't like it that much, because there were two love triangles, and I really don't like love triangles at all. It was it was intolerable. Like the middle part of it was just intolerable, but the ending part of it was just so worth it that I had to start the third book. Okay, so the third book is Champion. So like, you know who's the champion and all. So this book, you would definitely love it if you are into dystopian series and you want to know what happens, how crimes take place, wars and all, if you are into that. But it's completely fictional, so it's not a historical fiction, but yeah, it's a dystopian fiction. And if you like Hunger Games, the Maze Runner, these books, this trilogy is a good to go. Plus this trilogy, after this ended, oh my god, the ending was very satisfying, okay? The ending was very satisfying. It feels like home. I felt like crying for a moment, but I was reading it in a public space, okay? So the last chapter, I felt like, okay, the last chapter was really satisfying. So there is another fourth book as well, Rebel, but I did not just feel like reading it, because I read the reviews that Champion is a good ending. It's just satisfying. It should just end right there only. So I just left it there only. I don't plan to read Rebel at all, and I don't wanna read Rebel at all. But apart from that, good book, and you guys should give it a shot. I'll keep making more videos, guys, so please, I don't know, maybe subscribe if you're new, or if you're watching this, thank you. I love you so much. You guys are the true support of my life. Bye. Thank you.